Roofs are more than just a protective shield. They are a statement of architectural elegance. As time passes, the elements, usage, and deterioration can accumulate their impact. That's where architectural sheet metal becomes relevant. Architectural sheet metal is a versatile material used in the construction and repair of roofs. Its durability, malleability, and aesthetic appeal make it a top choice for roof restoration projects. Well, Mother Nature can be relentless. Rainfall, snowfall, and strong winds can be harsh on roofs, causing leaks and damage. Architectural sheet metal acts as a protective shield against these elements. Highly skilled craftsmen work on site, shaping and fastening the sheet metal to ensure a watertight seal. One of its standout features is its adaptability to various architectural styles. Whether it's a modern, sleek design or a classic, historic building, architectural sheet metal seamlessly blends in, enhancing the roof's aesthetics. Moreover, it contributes to energy efficiency. The reflective surface of sheet metal can help lower cooling costs by bouncing off the sun's heat, reducing the overall energy consumption of the building. Homeowners and businesses alike choose architectural sheet metal for its longevity and low maintenance. It not only safeguards their investment but also adds value to their property. In conclusion, architectural sheet metal is more than just a roofing material. It's an art form that combines durability and elegance. So, when it's time for your next roof repair or renovation project, remember that architectural sheet metal is the trusted choice for a roof that stands the test of time. For expert roof repair and architectural sheet metal solutions, trust the dedicated team at Palmetto Roofers. Call us today at 864-686-4050 or visit our website at www.palmettoroofers.com to learn more and schedule your consultation.